we go. Today is October the 13th, 2024, Sunday. It's about 3:30 p.m. We're going to get more rain tonight. White skies and rain. And we're about, 49, 50 degrees. Got a cool breeze. It's coming from the northwest. Northwest breeze. Right. This is all I'm going to show for today. Wow, look at that sky back there. Holy cow. This will be a quick one. So post your comments below, click that like button, hit that subscribe button. Always helps. It's going southwest. Ooh, got a real dark sky back there. That's towards the north. Alright. I don't think I'm going to see that sun disk. Okay. Alright, keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. This will be it for now. Alright, shall talk to y'all later. Post your comments below. Alright. Alright. This shall be it. Okay. Alright, this shall be it for now. I'm gone. I'll talk to y'all later. White skies and rain. Keep your eyes in the skies. Keep looking up. I'm gone.